left off, let us see what Second Samuel chapter 5 is going to teach us. Jenny is saying, God bless you. Thank you so much for the blessings. And thank you everyone who are joining us. Please like, share, and follow us as well. And I do want to announce about some of the coupons that TikTok gave us from everything that we have been working with TikTok. So I just want to let you know we still have coupons available, $10 off 29 and $4 off $20, which are available in our store. And I learned in yesterday's live, I thought, I'm also learning about TikTok. um, I thought it was only to purchase during live, but it is valid until next 2 days. Now it was valid until 3 days yesterday, so valid until the next 2 days, even after the live. So you don't have to right away purchase, but I will highly recommend you to go ahead and claim the coupons. So if you want to purchase anything during the weekend, you can. And we are not on live today evening, will not be coming on live, and we will not be on live on weekends. So you will have the coupons to take a look at that, but claim those coupons because they will expire. I see Susan Starr. Good morning. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, everyone. Please like, share, and follow our program. And as usual, I do want to say this is a Bible study. I am not a teacher, and I am reading the Word of God myself to understand and read. So you folks are welcome to give your input or teach. This is a group Bible study, so let's make it a group effort to learn the Word of God together and grow spiritually. And I do want to welcome everyone watching us on YouTube as well. Thank you so much for joining us. Second Samuel chapter 5. All the tribes of Israel unite under David. David was who is anointed king. So we know he was anointed. King Saul was anointed. So anointed king is the key word right there. He will reign for 40 years. Something about God's numbers. He loved 40, right? 40 years of wilderness, 40 years of King David's reign. So there is something about the biblical numbers there. I don't know what it is, but I'm just marking it in my Bible here. David captures the stronghold of Jerusalem, making it his capital and naming it the city of David. Thank you so much for joining, Sarah K. Big Mama, good morning. Thank you so much for joining. Natalie, Judith, thank you so much for joining our live. So David calls it the city of David. Jerusalem was called the city of David at that time. Good morning, good morning. He builds up the city and expands his influence, supported by God's guidance and blessings. So we know how King David was. He was always seeking God's guidance. Susan Starr is saying, yes, that is why I am perplexed. Go up, it went
Perplexed to moving back to Phoenix after
after
40
40
years.
years. Susan Star is connecting her dots there. I love it what you are saying. But after 40 years, there is miracle happening. So I don't know what is on the other side. But here is what we can learn from David. He is always consulting God and asking for his guidance. And he's being successful because he's asking for God's guidance and blessings all the time. The Philistines attack, but David defeats them with God's help. That is the key. That is the key. Susan Star is